Priceline Flight Booking Platform Review. Usage Experience. Priceline is a flight booking platform designed for budget-conscious travelers seeking convenience, flexibility, and competitive pricing. The platform stands out with features like the Name Your Own Price tool, which allows users to bid for tickets, and the Express Deals option, offering discounted flights with flexible travel times. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to compare prices across airlines, customize travel dates, and filter by preferences such as direct flights or baggage options. Priceline also integrates seamlessly with hotel and car rental booking, making it ideal for travelers looking to bundle their travel arrangements in one place. One of Priceline's strongest features is its price match guarantee, where they refund the difference if you find a better price after booking. Additionally, the mobile app enhances the experience with exclusive app-only deals and real-time price alerts, ensuring users don't miss out on discounts. However, it's worth noting that some deals, particularly express deals, come with restrictions like non-refundable tickets and limited flight details until after booking. This makes it a better fit for flexible travelers rather than those with rigid plans. My experience with Priceline was straightforward and efficient. I was able to secure a last-minute international flight at a significant discount compared to other platforms. The booking process was smooth, with clear prompts guiding me through payment and confirmation. The confirmation email arrived instantly, and the mobile app allowed me to easily access my e-ticket. While the savings were impressive, I did notice that the site occasionally includes upsells for travel insurance and seat upgrades, so it's important to review your cart carefully before checkout. Overall, Priceline is an excellent choice for travelers who prioritize savings and are willing to navigate occasional limitations like opaque booking options. It caters particularly well to bargain hunters and those looking to bundle travel needs. If you're planning your next trip, Priceline is worth considering for its competitive pricing, seamless booking experience, and bundled travel options. Whether you're a solo traveler, family, or business professional, Priceline delivers a reliable platform for securing affordable flights without compromising on quality.